Describing eyebrows in English. Unlock the subtleties of facial features. Hello there, language learners. Welcome back to our series on describing people's physical appearance. In today's video, we'll focus on a feature that often goes unnoticed, but actually adds a lot to a person's look. Eyebrows. Yes, you heard it right. We'll learn how to describe different kinds of eyebrows, using words such as thick, thin, bushy, and arched. Eyebrows are a key feature that shape our face and convey our emotions. They are the unsung heroes of our facial expressions. When you're describing someone's appearance, mentioning their eyebrows can paint a more complete and vivid picture. Let's dive into our first set of adjectives. 1. Thick. When someone has a lot of eyebrow hair, and it covers the brow bone in a wide strip, we say they have thick eyebrows. For example, her eyebrows are so thick and prominent. 2. Thin. Opposite of thick, thin eyebrows are sparse and narrow. You could say, he has thin, barely noticeable eyebrows. Now, let's look at some more specific adjectives. 1. Bushy. Bushy eyebrows are very full and thick, often unruly. It's like a small bush on the brow bone. For instance, you could say, he has bushy eyebrows that stand out on his face. 2. Arched. When eyebrows curve or bend in the middle, giving a shape similar to an arch or a bow, we call them arched eyebrows. You might say, her arched eyebrows give her a surprised expression. Often, you can combine these adjectives for a more detailed description. For example, someone might have thin, arched eyebrows, or thick, bushy eyebrows. The more detailed your description, the better the image you can convey. And there you have it, folks. With just a few words, you can now describe eyebrows in a much more detailed and meaningful way. Remember, the devil is in the details, and in language learning, every detail matters. As always, keep practicing, and stay curious about the world of words. We hope this video was helpful, and we'll see you in our next one, where we'll delve into other facial features. Happy learning!